Hello, welcome to another unboxing. This time it's the Lampwin round colourful closet light. There's various manufacturers of these, all sorts of different Chinese companies. This is one I got from Amazon. Basically they're little discs with LEDs in and they can change colour. And they make great sort of underneath surfaces, bit of accent lighting. I use them to uplight crystals. And I found it very effective at doing that. So let's see what we get in the box. Get a user manual. A remote control. That's power in to the modules going out there, and that's the sensor for the remote control. So you have to just watch where that is. So I've got one behind a shelving unit, and I have to make sure that's stuck around the side, so you can just tweak it around the corner and change the colours if needs be. There's a plug, adapter, transformer, AC adapter, input 100 to 240 volts. 50-60 Hertz, so that's pretty universal, and it's 12 volts at, I think that says 0.75 of an amp. So as I said, I bought another set of these, and I'm sure it was a different manufacturer or a different name, but they're all very similar. Oh, so there's some double sticky sided tape. I'll stick them under a surface. And here they are. So you can, I don't know if you can make them out, you can just about see the yellow blobs inside. That's the LEDs. There's about 9 of them in there, I think. Also, you could use these in a computer, because if you've got a computer motherboard that does the RGB thing, that's the connector. So yeah, you could use this inside a computer if you needed to. 2 watts it says there, RGB, LED cabinet lights. So I found the last lot fantastic that I bought. None of them have failed or anything, they've been just fine. This was about £18 on Amazon. So it's a slightly different design. The last one they had separate wires going down to a little box, whereas this one they join across, which actually might be better for what I need. But you can only get it so far across, that's the thing. So I'll just cut the recording while I unpack these a moment. Right, here we are. So I've unpacked the 4 individual lights, and I've now connected them all up to each other. Now it is possible to connect them in the wrong polarity. So there's tiny little arrows, so you've got to make sure that the arrows face each other when you do them up, because it is quite possible to do them up the wrong way, like that. So making sure you have the polarity the right way round, all the way through. To the last one, which goes to this little box. Line up the arrows again, connect there. Now I'll connect the transformer. Just plug the transformer in, and there we go. Now I notice sometimes with LEDs, when they first start they're quite bright, and they do dim off slightly, some of them, a bit like an old harmonic valve used to do. Right then, so red, green, blue, and then various shades going away from that. Really quite nice colours. There we go. Also the strobe. That's something slightly different to my other one. And there's a white mode as well. Also you can turn down, let's see if this works. Oh yeah, there we go. There's quite a few steps on the intensity there. And an off and on. Now on my other one you could have a gradual, it says fade there, that's what they call fade on this one. It's very fast. On my other set it's nice and slow. So they do vary by manufacturer slightly. Oh, that's quite nice actually. Nice variation. Some really nice colours. Actually, let me just turn off the overhead light just in case that's affecting the video. Red, green, blue, orange, down to yellow, green, turquoise, blue to a sort of pink colour. Well, there we are. So while I'm on this, I think I'll show you the ones I've already got fitted and how they look. It's just my front room. And I've got various crystals. See, I bought it for these crystals here. I haven't got any lights underneath them. And I want it to go over there. I don't think it's going to stretch all the way over to there, unfortunately. But here's the same sort of thing. There's a solidite there. I've got two of those discs underneath these two here. That gives off a nice light. I just kept it the same. Oh no, it's on RGB at the moment. And over here, there's the other two discs with 2 quartz. Also, there's my infinity mirror behind my Shiva there. So that's what I'm getting for a bit of accenting. I mean, if you want them to light up a room, forget it. They won't be bright enough for that. They're there for accent lighting. So, thanks for watching. See you next time.